Hey guys, so it's probably my second time doing a channel. I think a channel last year. If you want to know what happened, just go subscribe and hit the bell notifications, and comment down below if you want me to tell a story, and hit that like button. So let's get on to the video. I'm going to be doing, by the way, so I'm going to be showing you 5 slimes, and yeah, it's like slime ASMR kind of. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So guys, those are the slimes, and first off, I'm going to be showing, I'm going to be showing you the super slime bubble over here, right over here. It's a slime smoothie that I've made 1 year ago, and it was super cool. I did buy one which was like grayish type of color. I mixed types of slimes like those kind of colors, jelly cube slimes, and they made this beautiful blue. Oh, and those are, by the way, really hard to get out, so I'm sorry. Look at this metallic color. Okay, this is not butter slime really, but look at it, it's so shiny. Now let's do some ASMR. Oh my god, it's so refreshing. Look at its color. That's why I did this thingy, because for you guys to see its color. It's like super amazing, and there are drops. So let's put this back into its smoothie bowl. Thanks. So I know it was pretty funny. Let's just put it back. Now I'm not gonna mess this up. I'm going to be doing the red super slime bubble. So I think it's going to be really cool. Let me just get out the excess of it. I'm not gonna try to make it long because you guys won't probably watch it. Look at that color. I know from first it looks ugly, but oh my god. Let's do some ASMR. So it also has like a pearly shine to it. Oh, so many steps are in there. Excuse me for the background. I mean, very excuse me. Okay, no, that's not how we say. Like, look at that metallic shine. I'm not at my home. So yeah, I'm not going to be able doing it on a proper table, but yeah. Next, comment down below which one you want to start with. I'm waiting. You have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did it come down below? I think you commented the white one. Let's just like some ASMR. Oops. So we're going to try to take it out, not in front of the camera, because, okay, I'm going to take it out of the camera. Oh, this was very easy to take it out. So this is the jelly, it's like a jelly cube. Look at that sound. Ready for a swirl? Let's do that. So I don't know, I'm not a professional and slime, so just excuse me 1 sec. And I'm not, oh my, this is not a good swirl, but the crunch is good. So we're going to put it back. We're going to roll it. Okay, thanks. Oh my god. Thank you. And next we're going to do the red one. The red one, which is here. I removed the price. Okay, so this one is called Magic Ball Slime, as well as the others. Let's do some ASMR. Oh my god, did you see that turn? Comment down below if you did. I'm trying to get this easily out and not by ripping it. Okay, so I'm pretty starting at a good start. So yeah, this is basically the same. I'm gonna take an hour so you guys won't be bored. I mean, this slime tour won't mean a lot to you, but I guess it will mean to me if you watch it. Oh, did you see that? Instant replay. Boop, boop, boop. Last one is going to be the green. Can you tell which one, like, what's different in it? Of course you can tell, it's the stars and stuff. Let's do some ASMR. Wait, not now. Sorry. This is very tough. Oh my god, there's people down. So, look at this. I'm just gonna take this smudge because I think it's enough because it's way too big. I guess my cousins helped me. Without them, I don't know what to do. Look at those. Like, can we zoom in? Oh my god, like, this is so cool. Look at the color. It's a bit tough and rippy, as you can see. And it's very nice. Like, I know that's not how we play with slime. Please don't hate in the comments. But you know, I hate haters. Do I look like I care? Do I look like I care, you guys? Do I? I'm a person who doesn't like haters. And if they are, like, of course they are. There are haters in the world. So I'm not going to blame. Oops. So guys, that's the end.